Dave and Bianca are the brains behind Our Cow and have invited us over for a feed.
It's not the first time you've done that before, eh?
We've had a few of those on there, Borgy.
Yeah. What's the key to the best steak on the campfire?
I think you got to start off with a good bit of meat, and then it has to be cooked medium rare, seasoned, I guess, as well. Brought up to room temperature before you put it on. But yeah, the key to it is having a good bit of meat to start off with.
Yeah, sure. Well, that's something that you guys specialise in. I've been subscribing to, the box every week I get a box come in. It's been bloody absolutely awesome. But where did it all start for you guys?
Well, in 2019 we were going through a pretty tough time with bushfires and the drought that was happening all across New South Wales, and then we decided that we wanted to try and get a different avenue to try and sell our livestock. We were getting really bad prices at the time for our cattle, and we just started advertising meat for sale on Facebook, and it's just taken off from there. So it's sort of working with a lot of farmers across the country now and trying to help them out to get a stable price for their meat, I guess. So
it's basically like going to the butcher shop, but they do it online. So, they pick all the different cuts of meat that they want. We now work with probably over 100 farmers across New South Wales and Queensland, and everything from beef, pork, lamb to chicken. And we basically deliver right to their door. So it's just about trying to connect people in the city to where their food comes from. Everyone wants to support farmers, but we really wanted to bring an avenue for people to support farmers every day through their food choices, like they don't just have to donate in times of crisis. They can actually support people on the land every day through the food that they eat, and that's pretty powerful. Yeah.
What sort of selection process do you go through when you're selecting the farmers you're sourcing meat from?
Yeah, we have a pretty stringent process, I suppose. For one, it's got to be grass-fed. Animals have to be free range, and we're looking for the farmers that are doing really good things on their land. They're regenerative type farmers, and the animal welfare is second to none, I suppose, of these guys. So we're looking for the best quality animals that we can provide our customers.
Yeah. When you guys source it from the farmer to when it ends up in your customer's hands, is that a shortened length of time, or is it how does that work?
Everything is packed and cut to the highest standard, then it's basically delivered within a couple of days.
Wow, you don't get much fresher than that, do you?
Yeah, that's right, and I think you can really taste the difference, and it's nice to be able to trace it back to where it does come from. Like every piece of meat that leaves us has got the farmer's name on it.
Well, I'll tell you what, I know you're doing good things because I can smell it right there, mate.
We've got the hungry crew looking like they want to feed shortly as well, so we better get some more steaks on, eh?
Yeah, they'll have to race me to them, mate.